Hey everyone, in this particular video, I will be reviewing OFFEO. This video is sponsored by OFFEO team. So they reached out to me on email, so they want to have a review about them. So I got paid for this in that. So this is about transparency in front of you. So let's start this particular video. So OFFEO is basically a pixelized or Crello alternative. The recent lifetime deal that did pretty well, and they are similar to that. They also launched this deal on Deal Mirror, and they're having tons of good partners as MMCC, Ford, Pinterest, Twitter. Gojek is a Snapdeal is good one in India. I don't know this is outside of India or not, but in India, Snapdeal is a very big brand, and they're having thousands of designs. So yeah, maybe because they're very developed app. So I haven't checked all of them, and there is a very good testimonial on the sales page. So let's not go there and let's jump to the features. Right, so you will get fully creative control. You can do what you want. You will get animations like you can do in Crello. You will get background removal 40 credits, I think. Okay, you will get 40 credits for that. Then you will get timeline control like this. Like if you know when you're editing videos, like in Vany Tool, Filmora, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, so you get this type of thing, and they also give you this inside this tool. Then huge library assets. So these are the assets like you can use, and actually I have a little code about that I will discuss as well. Then you can this supports multiple language like in Canva. If I tell you like Canva do not support Hindi, that's you can say national language of India. So that's all about. And let me jump into over here. Like you can see dynamic ad banners and infographics. You can do all this thing. Plus, you having 30 days money back guarantee is not a Sumo deal. There here is a 30-day money back guarantee, not at 60 days money back guarantee. You need to aware about that. And let's jump to the software demo. So this is the software, and this is very common ground. This is my personal, and you can set up your brand. Inside brand, you can set up your brand color so that this will create customized template for you, so you don't need to put any effort. Then you can create projects, brands, you can invite your friend and get paid. Then you are having account settings, and then you have a particular section where you can learn of yo. So let's see. Okay, that is not opened yet. So here is my brand. In brand, you can post your logo. So you can, if you're a personal brand, you can post your image. Then this is automatically picked from my website. Like if I click on replace template, so this thing, all things are automatically picked up from my website when I entered my brand URL. So let's say this time I do not want to do it for SurfSaaS, but I want to do it for blogging file. So let's see. So SurfSaaS, this is in the SurfSaaS brand. So I think they are not giving me any option as of now. Maybe in projects they will give me. So which type of thing? Like I wanna have this to be a draw, like and modern. I want little. I don't want some vibrant color, but yeah, I love these colors. And modern color also will work out. And modern is also good with some cool functionality. Yeah. Then they want which kind of font. So will go into modern. Previously they picked up this thing with the my old color, my brand color when I entered my website there. So that's inside setup. And let me show you. You can invite friends and you will get like $12 off on next fees. These are some reward. Then you can also see your referrals. Meanwhile, this is my referral link if I wanna refer someone. So will be given in the description. Click on sharehouse.link/offio. So will be given in the description below. And then you're having your name, your email, and your password changing setting, and you can also link and unlink your Facebook. And in payments, you will be able to see lifetime plan. You have the lifetime access to Off. You have fun. So I got this from of your team for reviewing this. Then you can enable notifications for your email. That's all about this account setting. Then in Learn of you, they will give you some very good tutorials like anyway how to learn of you. So this is like if there is a product you don't know how to use it, that's product complete waste. So of your team know that and they give you many good tutorials. So let's close this down and let me show you the editor. So I don't want to have this. So currently they are having four tutorial. You can also create a custom one, and you can also click on smart create. So currently I will choose smart create. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, you can upload an image or you can select a logo. So I will select a logo. I will upload a image. Okay, let me upload this one. And it will take some time because I think my internet connection is pretty slow. So let's wait for a second and I will continue from there. Okay guys, so I uploaded the logo and understanding your brand. From my image they are understanding and analyzing my brand, and they also on product hunt. Let's see until then. Like they have given very good entertainment for that time. So let's see what they are having. Number three product of the day for 25th March. May 2020. So I tried many in the past, but since I found OFFEO didn't get another one. It's the best creator. Okay, good man. So I'm not logged in. Okay, I have to log in. So I will not go there. So let's wait. So actually, I don't know why, but OFFEO is taking some time to understanding my brand because I selected the that smart create option. As you can see, like I love their illustrators. It will take some time, guys. Let me pause the video and will resume when it's done. So guys, it's taken approximately 5 minutes and we are having very good graphics over here. And let me set up my camera actually. Yeah. So as you can see, like what is this? OFFEO. So my name will be there, right? Sounds like a good, but if I'm having brand color. So yeah, so my name will be there. Okay. So as you can, they created many good animations. Wow. I really love that. So this sounds cool. I loved this. I loved this. Let's go to, okay, so it will take time again. Uh, oh, it's very fast. It's very fast. It's very fast. Do it, do it, do it. Uh, Honestly, last ones were good. Let me go to previous. So it will take some time, yeah, but this is smart create as I said. So let's wait for a second. Okay, I love this one. Let's click on edit and see what happens. So let's wait. So this will be a 7 seconds intro. So let's me play all scenes. So I have not done anything, guys. Just uploaded the logo. Wow. Wait a minute. So okay. So now maybe you will be okay. Loved this one. So my image was not particular that much optimized, but I loved it. So I can click on download. I want to download this video. I want this a high quality video, and this will be rendered and sent to me by email. So 143 in queue. So it does not take that much time actually. Last time 140 was in queue, and within 5 minutes I got the email from them. So let's see. Let me show you the email inside this camera, and let me stop sharing the system sound. So if I show you my email, so hi, I'm here again. So as you can see, the queue is finished. So as I said, this does not take too much time as they given over there, maybe due to some safety or something. So in morning I did, so this email looks like this. So I don't know, uh, due to my that green screen, this will be not rendered. But yeah, so this your audio video is ready. Watch now or download. So you will significantly get option. So 46% is done. So let's go back to home. So this will be sent to my email address. So let's wait for that. Until then, like you can see, like I just created this video. I created this graphics in morning for my Facebook page. Like I was not going to use that, but for a random thing, like I was testing this tool and I just created this graphic. So let me click on edit, show you all the customization options. First of all, you can click on designs and you can choose many template. You can choose according to your brand, or you can choose other templates. So as you can see, there are many templates. And as you can see, this is little bit slow due to my internet connection, but yeah. So I use this one, the juiciest bar. Actually, I did not got any good one, so I think this one seems to be good. So, and then you're having some other templates, like if you want a color, which color filter, so you're having this kind of template for it. So since it's a developing tool, still the templates are very good. So let's suppose if I want to move, uh, so first of all, if I talk about cons, like I cannot do a multi-selection over here. Let's suppose if I want to select these, so I have to click one by one, right? So in the other tool, I just used to like drag over here and select all. So you can't do, but you need to like press Control to select all of them. So this is a little con about that. So I don't know. For me, it's cone. If you are using control, then it's not a cone for you. Then in styling option, you can add different styling, different layouts, and you can choose the fonts. Like I want to railway, I want Playfair, I want this. So you can choose over here. Then you can add some text sync features like other tools. Then you can add graphics. So let's suppose I want a graphic around computer. So I have not added that. I just search for computer. What happened? So guys, I just found a little bug. Okay, so actually I selected the category. I want to be a tech computer. Okay, got it. So a little bug from my side, like that I just found. Maybe they need to improve that for increasing user experience. So this sounds good to me. This one. If I want to add this, I can simply add this graphic. Then I'm having overlays. Like you can add some overlays if you want to have, like for YouTube channel, you can create very good overlays, cloth, and that's all. Then you having very good stocks for Unsplash, video library, and mask. So these are normal videos that you will get any other tool. So I will not go into that. You can like explore them. Then in background, you're having very good images. So I really love this feature. Like you can change background color, or you can also choose a, like if I wanna have a brand color. So now this is a brand color in background. Now I just pressed Control Z to reverse the effect. Then in music, you can upload your custom, or they are having very good library of music where you can go and choose. Like I am so tired. If let me play this, and and okay, let's. So these are the music. Then you can go into files, create folders, logos, and upload the here for your brand that assets. Then you can save some template. Like if you love some graphics, you can just save them and they will be over here. Then you can go into animation and see what kind of animation you wanna add. If you wanna add it for full, like, look at this. I loved that. Let me override this, right? So let me see what happens. Oh, wow. I really loved it. Like for a Facebook ad, this will convert best because these are the kind of graphic people are not doing. Then you can have this layer features that you can use, or you can click on the storyboard and you can add multiple scenes if you wanna have, like creating something for Instagram. And you can share this as a template with other users. So a special bonus for you guys. So I will be creating tons of ads for this particular OFFEO. So my special bonus is, this is for people who came to this end. So my special bonus for you guys is, like, purchase if of you using my affiliate link given below, and I will offer you these custom bonuses, like this custom templates for you of you, that includes your Facebook marketing, your Twitter, your Instagram marketing, 10 to 20 templates that that you will say like this is something that I want to have. So this is especially for Facebook ads. I will share you my template that I will be using with OFFEO. So this is a custom bonus for you guys. So I don't think so anyone offered this, but this is my custom of bonus if you purchase OFFEO using my affiliate link. So this is my bait for you. So simply I will give you these URLs in the bonus section, and you need to just click on it and claim into your temp account, and you will be easily able to use this. Like I created this in the morning. This is very cool. Like I can use this in my Facebook page. So these kind of templates you will get if you purchase OFFEO using my affiliate link. Just purchase the OFFEO and send me an email at shehraj@substash.com. The link and the email will be also given in the description box actually. So then again you can download this as an image or video. So a normal thing, then you can also resize, like if you want to have this as a vertical. So this will be instantly formed into a vertical space. Then you can change it according to your aspects. Here you go. Right, you can just change this like this. You can change all this according to your aspects. Then you can resize, save, and that's all that you can do with OFFEO. And they are saving the changes, and they okay, I wanna leave this because I didn't wanna make any changes. So guys, that's all for this OFFEO review. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then you can check out OFFEO using my affiliate link. Link will be given in the description. Thank you so much for watching till this point. By the way, you can subscribe to my SurfSaaS YouTube channel. I publish regular videos regarding video reviews that will help you to get best software deals out of the crowd. And that's all for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this particular video, and this video was sponsored by OFFEO. Thank you so much.